NATHIMEX's wood deck tiles are specially made of real wood, acacia hybrid wood. They are all FSC certified wood goods. Wood deck tiles categories are available from NATHIMEX JSC, 4 slats, 6 slats, 8 slats, 10 slats, and 12 slats. NATHIMEX JSC also provides a mixing of grass and wood deck tiles. Wood deck tiles are currently driving up its popularity. NATHIMEX's deck tiles are used in a variety of applications. Typically, NATHIMEX's deck tiles are being used in office space in order to make the office look fresh green and be in harmony with the environment. Today, NATHIMEX JSC will display how deck tiles can be used in a workplace manner. A clean, smooth installation surface and the appropriate number of tiles to cover the desired area are required before you can begin. Tiles can be moved with minimum effort to any area of your construction. Construction workers can unbox more quickly thanks to the simplicity of NATHIMEX's deck tiles packaging. Step 1. Measure the square footage before construction. Square footage equals width x length. Step 2. Start in the front corner and work your way out from there. Make sure the side of the tile with loops is facing away from the edges. Interlocking tiles by NATHIMEX are made to be put up and taken down quickly and effortlessly. Step 3. If you run into any walls or barriers, measure the gap between the last full tile and the wall. Then, cut the tiles accordingly with a table saw, jigsaw or tile cutter. As you proceed, your structure will take on the appearance of a classy and magnificent space.